name is MsTanMarie, and today is Foundation Friday. That's right, another Foundation Friday. So with this video, I will be using for this. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is MsTanMarie. Today is Foundation Friday. That's right, I'm on a roll with these foundations. The foundation that I will be reviewing and demo today will be the Flesh Stick foundations. It looks like this. Nice and compact. Comes in this nice little packaging right here. Nice pink packaging. This foundation claims to work triple times as foundation, contour, and concealer. And it fits in the tiniest bag. You get 4.6 grams of product in this container right here. And that is all you get. I think this is perfect for travel. And with that being said, I did purchase these from Ulta Beauty. They were on sale. They were discounted by 95% off. The original price is $18. It retails for $18 on the site. And I also picked up the Flesh Lipstick Compact. This retails for $24, and I paid $2.40 for this one. And as I said, this retails for $18. I paid $1.80 for these. I had to get the last colors that they have because we were unable to find the right shade. They didn't have many shades to choose from, so I picked up these three colors. And I decided to mix them to create my shade. The color that I have is Hazelnut. The next color that I have is called Salted Caramel. And the last color that I got was Muffin to Highlight. So if you want to see how I created this look, don't forget to watch, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have tried these foundations, leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what your thoughts of these foundations are.